Alright, good morning everyone. Hope you're having a fantastic day so far. Today I'll be taking a train that runs on the same tracks as a bullet train. So I'm at Morioka Station right now, which is in the northern part of Japan, and I'll be riding a train called the Tazawako Line. So in this video I'll be taking that train, stopping by one quiet station, and then coming back here at Morioka with the Akita bullet train. I'm gonna be taking a one at platform number 8 at 2:19 p.m. Okay, wait, the train is already here and it's 2:01 p.m. So I'm surprised how early it came. These trains, you have to press the button to go inside. So there are two bullet trains in Japan that share tracks with regular local trains, the Akita Shinkansen and the Akita Shinkansen. And these two trains are also known as the mini bullet train because they're not full-sized. Since they run on regular tracks for a part of the trip, the train cars are narrower than usual. That's why there's only 2 seats per row on these trains instead of the usual 3 that you see on other trains. And that's also why there are little steps that comes out to help people get on and off at some stations. So this train is stopping so that the Akita bullet train can pass by. Oh, that's so cool. The fact that it runs on the same line. Alright, let's get back. Okay, we arrived at this station called, what is that? Shizukuishi. And this train is actually going to wait 12 minutes so that the bullet train can pass by. Oh, it's coming! Oh, this will be a good thumbnail too. Oh, it's on the other side? What the heck? Alright, so I just got off at the station called Akabuchi, and I'm the only one that got off. Goodbye. Alright, the good thing about this train station is that it's not like literally in the middle of nowhere. Seeing roads like this is very promising. I've always wanted to go to like train stations that's in like the middle of nowhere, but ever since that bird incident, I've been kind of like paranoid by what is that called? Wild animals. And especially here, I heard bears can like pop out whenever. This is the break room, or like the rest room that you can stay at to kill time. No one is here. The interesting part about this station is that there's a lot of trains for this line from Morioka Station, but not many of them goes to this station, or even Tazawako, which is a lake. There's actually only 4 trains per day, and the one I just got off at is 3:01 p.m. so I have to wait until the 4:38 p.m. one, which is an hour and a half. If I miss that, I have to absolutely take this one, or else I'm doomed. On the other hand, the trains that go to Morioka, there's more trains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 trains to Morioka and 4 trains to Tazawako. The reason why I got off at this station is because this train station is apparently like the most low-key one out of all the train stations for this line. There are some buildings over here, but I don't think anyone is there. I think the train staff comes occasionally just to, I don't know, do something. The cool thing about this train station is that you get to see the bullet trains pass by here at a very close distance. But before I do that, I want to go to a view spot. There's a bridge over there where I can go on that I can see the view from the top. There's no train station sign here. It's just this, Akabuchi Eki. Alright, I think I'm here. I think it's my first time going to an empty train station in a very rural area. So I'm a little bit nervous. Look at that, it's like, damn, mountains all around. Oh no, I can't get my camera wet. I can be wet, but not the camera. Oh, I hear it coming. Oh, there it is. Alright, so I'm gonna head back to the station so I can see the bullet trains pass by closer. Apparently, there is an interesting public restroom around here. What does that say? Akabuchi Eki. Okay, the public bathroom. That is too public, isn't it? Geez, there's no door or anything, and there's the door for the rest. I am not opening that. I'm freaking scared. I hear an announcement. Oh, cool. What a timing. Oh, shit. What kind of sound is this? This is the scariest crossing sound I've ever heard so far. It sounds like the devil is coming. Holy moly. Oh, there it is. Oh! Oh, it's on going that side. Whoa! Oh, it's so close! Whoa! I got overly excited. It wasn't even going at full speed. I don't know why I screamed that loud. I wasn't trying to over exaggerate. I just like felt the thrill when it passed by. Maybe it's also because I'm in the middle of nowhere, so I'm allowed to like fully express myself without causing any trouble. I'm pretty sure there's gonna be the train from the other side as well, so I can just wait here. Okay, the announcement that the bullet train should be passing by is here, and that means the devil sound should be coming up too. This time I'm prepared. I'm not gonna freak out. So the last bullet train came from this way, so I think it's going from the other side. Oh wait, no, it wasn't. Oops, it wasn't the bullet train. It was the regular Tazawako Line. Oh, I think this is the same train that I took. It's heading the opposite direction. Wait, but there's no crossing sign? Oh, it's because it's not using... Oh, that's why. Oh, okay, now the bullet train's coming. Woo! Let's go. Wait, it's going this side, right? I don't hear the sound of the devil, so... Oh, it's still... I don't know how to explain it. The sound it makes when it passes by, it's like... It makes you want to scream. Okay, so that was... Oh, no. Okay, so that was unfortunately the last bullet train I'll see pass by. My train is coming in 14 minutes, so I'm going to go back to the platform area and just patiently wait. So one thing I have to be careful when making train video is that for the rural low-key trains, the train doesn't come that often and I have to wait a while for the next one to come. This time it was only an hour and a half, which isn't bad, but there are other trains where you have to wait like 2 to 3 hours. I will have to be mentally prepared for that. This is the worst place to forget anything. I think I'm good. Alright, thank you very much. Alright, it's time for me to ride the Tazawako Line train. Oh shit. I forgot to press. There's a person who actually left this station. I'm talking because there's not many people around, but damn, look at this view. Oh wait, I have to zoom out. But yeah, the snow is still there, and there's those mountains. And we're passing by a lot of tunnels. Holy crap. This is so cool. It was weird seeing snow in general, like this much, because it rarely snows in Tokyo. And also Tazawako Station is in Akita Prefecture, and this is the first time I'll be at Akita Prefecture. The funny thing is I'm gonna be taking a bullet train that comes 10 minutes after I get to the station. My Akita Prefecture debut will only be for 10 minutes. This will be like the only time where I think it would be cool seeing wild animals, as long as the train doesn't run over it, because that'll make the train delay by a lot. Okay, I think we're kind of close. That's me and that's Tazawako Station. Maybe about 5 minutes left. We are here at Tazawako Station, and the first impression is funny background music. And the second impression is vibes. Look at the view. I don't know if I think we can see a better view if we cross to this platform. This is the main sign for the station. There's a dragon, there's 2 dragons, and the komachi. So the direct translation of Tazawako is Tazawa Lake. So there's a lake that's kind of nearby here, like 50 minutes away. It's apparently the deepest lake in Japan. I wanted to go here, but I decided not to because it was raining, so I didn't know if I can get a good view. Here's a quick view of outside the Tazawako Station. Holy crap. This is beautiful. I've seen mountains, but not a snowy mountain like this. And it's April. Okay, I have my ticket for the Akita bullet train from here all the way to Morioka Station. It's gonna take me around, 36 minutes to get there. お願いします。ありがとうございます。The fact this music starts playing when the train comes. Here it is. The Akita bullet train, Komachi, heading towards Akita. And then there's the Komachi number 32 heading to Tokyo. Oh, it's quite a big step.
We will soon make a brief stop at Morioka.
Oh wait. Oh, I think it's doing the coupling thing now. Oh, so I won't be able to see it. Oh, that's unfortunate. Oh, did it couple already? Ah, I did. But here's a closer look. How romantic. Okay, that was quite a interesting journey I had. That'll be the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. The algorithm thinks to like this video over here, so feel free to check that video out.